Hey guys, today I have a fairly new ticket to the Maryland Lottery. It is the $3 Fruit Explosion. The top prize is $30,000. You just have to scratch the 14 symbols, and for each of the symbols that you reveal, if you match it down here, you scratch it off, and you have to try and fill out 3 in a row, and then if you do, you win the prize shown. And the odds are 1 in 3.87. And I have tickets number 63 through 65. So let's go ahead and get started with ticket number 63. Put this out of the way. Alright. The first symbol is peach. We have a lemon, a plum, a strawberry, blueberries, cantaloupe, an apple, a grapefruit, a star fruit, a banana, a melon, a pear, a papaya, and our last fruit is a coconut. So it looks like we didn't match any 3 fruits, so this ticket looks like a loser. Let's go ahead and move on to ticket number 64. Hopefully we get a grapefruit, and then we would win. Or a coconut. Or a pear. Alright, let's see what the last fruit is. It's a peach. So, no 3 matches on this one. Let's move on to our last ticket and hopefully a winner, ticket number 65. Not off to a good start. There's the grapefruit we needed on the last ticket. Alright, come on, coconut. Or a lemon would be nice. Or a cantaloupe. Or an orange. That's how they get you. They give you lots of options, but never give you the ones you need. Alright, we have the last fruit here. We're looking for a coconut, a cantaloupe, a lemon, other coconut, or an orange. And of course, it's a papaya. So it looks like we had 3 losers, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this new ticket to Maryland. If you did, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!